Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today we will see how to plot the 10 needle formula on the Byol meridian. These points are very useful for gastric pain, abdominal pain, vomiting, nausea, constipation, diarrhea, gastric ulcer, indigestion, any stomach related issue. You can use these points. But there is a sequence of using these points. So let us understand how to plot them. So the very first point that we need to plot is P6, that is a pericardium 6, and this has to be plotted on both the hands. So for that, on the index finger, make a middle line, make a line on the first joint, make a line on the second joint, then in between the first joint and the second joint, make a center line and make equal lines in between. Then at this intersection, we have pericardium 6. The same on the right hand, make a center line. This is the first joint, this is the second joint. In between the first joint and the second joint, make a center line. Now from the center line to the first joint, make equal sections. So at the second intersection, we have pericardium 6. So this is our first point. The second point is CV13. For plotting CV13, what we need to do is we have to make a central line over here from the middle finger and the ring finger towards the ring finger. So this is the center line till the wrist. To plot CV13, consumption vessel 13, we have to also make a center line in the palm. So according to the size of your palm, just make a center line of your palm. So right here, we got the intersection. Correct? Now, from the center till the wrist, make equal sections like this. And from the middle line till the point over here, till CV1, make equal sections. Now to plot CV13, we know that this particular point is CV14. So this intersection will be CV13. Now remember, we don't have to plot this on the right hand. It will be only on the left hand, palmar side. The next point is CV12. Just at the next intersection here, we have CV12 and this is the third point. The next point is CV10. So leave this intersection. At this intersection, we have CV10 and this is the fourth point. Then we have to plot stomach 25. To plot stomach 25, roughly around middle of the middle finger, you make a straight line adjacent to the consumption vessel line. Here at this intersection, we have stomach 25, which is the fifth point. Now stomach 25 has to be applied on both the hands. So roughly around this middle finger at the center, make a line, straight line. And at this intersection, you have stomach 25, which is the fifth point. So till now we have understood the first point is P6, the second point is CV13, the third point is CV12, the fourth point is CV10 and the fifth point is stomach 25. The sixth point is CV6. Okay, so to plot CV6, what we need to do is, we got this center intersection over here. The next line over here is CV7. Then we have this CV5 at this intersection. So here you can see that between CV7 and CV5, we have CV6 right in the center. So this is the sixth point of our formula. Now, the next point is ST36, that is stomach 36, and that has to be applied on the dorsal side. So for that, what we need is, we need to make a center line in the middle finger, one line adjacent to this middle line, and then one line adjacent to the middle line. Then this is the first joint and this is the second joint. So just above the second joint, just above, little above the second joint, we have stomach 36, and that is the seventh point. And this has to be applied on both the hands. So here also make a center line on the middle finger, make adjacent lines like this. This is the first joint and this is the second joint. On the second joint, just little above, we have stomach 36, and this is the seventh point. Now, on these points, you can apply fenugreek seed. This also can help in curing irregular periods, PCOD, PCS, IBS, diabetes, indigestion, warts of any kind, fertility, acidity, all stomach issues, pain during menses. This is a wonderful formula. Start using these points. Just apply fenugreek seed and see the result.